This is how to repair a Delta Leland faucet. So the problem with this faucet was that the rubber seat part 4993 cracked and the water would no longer shut off completely. What started off as a small leak got much worse after I tried to push on the handle to shut the water off. So as you can see, the faucet is completely off but still running. No matter which way the handle is turned, it won't shut off. So shut off the water going to the faucet either under the sink or at the main if you don't have shut-off valves. On one side of the faucet there is a slot that fits an Allen wrench. Find the right size and loosen the screw. Then the handle should pull off the cartridge. Remove the quarter turn stop, that's that little plastic piece there. Then loosen the nut holding the cartridge to the faucet. You shouldn't use pliers, which will chew up the nut, but I didn't have a crescent wrench at the time. So remove the nut, then pull on the cartridge to remove it. You're going to need to reach in and pull out both the rubber seat and the spring. I don't know if you could see, but it is actually cracked. You may need to use needle nose pliers. I use scissors. You can buy the replacement parts at Home Depot. This was $4.98. The first package I picked up was already opened and someone had stolen the rubber piece out of it, so you could potentially get these parts for free if you have no conscience. So just take the spring and set it into the hole. You want the narrower end pointing upward, and make sure it's completely aligned and not crooked. Then take the rubber seat and push it down on top of the spring. Reinsert the cartridge with the open side facing outward. Be sure the plastic tabs are aligned. Retighten the nut over the cartridge. Reinsert the quarter turn stop. Reinstall the handle on the cartridge and tighten the set screw. And then turn the water back on and test.